Hello friends, my name is Rajan and today I'm going to tell you about Windows hacking. Okay, uh, Windows hacking doing is like hacking a victim PC which is having Windows operating system in it. The, I'm going to use my own tool called as fake update and for the along with that I'm going to some basic tools which are pre-installed in Backtrack, which are Metasploit, DNS spoof and ARP spoof, sorry. And for that I'm going to show my code, shell code, which I have written with me, uh, something like this. Okay, you can see copyrights to me and licenses to Thor ethical hackers. So you can see this is the coding part, but we need not to think about that. I'm going to use it. Okay, so for first thing we need to copy these both the files and place in a particular folder. We'll go to the root first and then to the var, then the www world wide web. I'm going to place over there. Okay, both the things are there now. Okay, so close this. The next major thing we need is we need to run Apache server. Okay, we are going to do this hacking on using Apache server. When you go to the service tab, there is a option of HTTPD and then Apache start. This is showing that Apache is already running. That's good. Now the next thing is we need to run the code. Okay, so we need to go to the first folder where the my code is placed. This is desktop. Then my folder name is fu. Okay, cd fu. Then we need to go use the file, and my file name is fu.sh. No problem. As you can see, this is a shell code. So for execute it, we need to have dot slash before the file name dot sh. This is showing the procedure. First thing we need my IP address, and then we need the victim IP address. Let me see my first IP address. If config. Okay, my IP address is 192.168.1.4. Nice. So I will copy it. Second thing I need is the target IP. I'm going to target my own Windows. So let me check my IP address. Go to the command line and type ipconfig, and here is my IP address 192.168.1.2. Okay, now going to execute it. My IP address was this. The victim IP address was 192.168.1.2. Okay, now going to press enter. Okay, you can hack any Windows. You can hack XP, Windows 7, Windows 8 even. What basic thing we're going to do is, but firstly it will create a backdoor. Firstly it will create a web server, then will be create a web door. Take it. Then it will be doing DNS spoofing along ARP spoofing, which will be then starting my matter operator session also by using Metasploit. Wait a minute, it will be done. You can see this is ARP spoofing and this is DNS spoofing. Finally, I'm with my Metasploit session. So let me go ahead. I will do one thing. In this, firstly, I will tell you what we're doing in this session. You can see there the payload is Matterpater reverse TCP. We're going to use the word TCP to get connection over there, and the listening port is 192.168.1.4, which is my IP address, and then the listening port is 4444. Okay, so for the to run exploit, we need to run this IP address on victim PC. So let me check. 192.168.1. It's 4. Okay, you can see it's showing my Windows need critical update right now, so I will update it. So I'm with this update, I will run it. So I think everything going fine. So finally we are with the session. Let me show you the system info. Here it is. You can see Windows 7 64-bit Windows. So here the session been started and victim is now in my control. So here is my presentation on this. You can see whatever I want to do I can do. Okay, you can do anything right now this with this system using these command in Metasploit. You can see these are the things we can do. We can upload a directory to my victim PC. You can see anything. If we write the IP config, I will see the what are the interfaces the victim is using, root, which we can modify even the root. You can see there are many functions we can do. Right now the victim is under my control. So this is my presentation. Thank you.